Hey guys, so I'm here at the Ashley Inn in Tillamook, Oregon, and we got my favorite guy in the world right here. First off, check this out, the logo right there. The machine room's up here on the second floor. It's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and go. Look, there she is. Go down to one. And off we go. For some reason we're really slow moving down. I don't really know why that is. Let's watch the button go out. There we go. Here we are down in one. And we're gonna make our way on up to three. So, this is my favorite elevator ever. We are in a Schindler 321a. Oh yeah, for some reason it's way faster going up. Alright, here we are up at 3. And I will show you the proof real soon. But for now, let's go back down to 1. So, Schindler 321as are undoubtedly my favorite. Alright, let's get our cab view going down here. But yeah, this is my favorite elevator ever. And yeah. There's our cab. So yeah, I'm pretty hyped to be riding this, to say the least. And yeah. I had to get a refill on my favorite elevator. Let's go back up. Alrighty. Here's your indicator. 3 floors with your old school Schindler logo there. Schindler logo here. Your HT standard early model, because this is a 321a. Here's your lantern, and just to prove it to you guys, I'm going to show you what we got up here. So check the interlock date. Oh. Unfortunately I can't see it, but it does say June 1998. So if you want your other Schindler 321a specs, here's the old capacity label, the old font, and 2,500 pounds, can only be 2,100, 2,500 pound capacity. Serves in between 1 to 4 floors. The single jack holes right back here. I mean, you can tell the door operator, the fan, all that good stuff. 321a classics. It won't focus, but I love 321as. This is my favorite of all time, dude. And what's even better, the 1998 installation. Originally, this would have had the chimes from the Macy's in Carle Place, Long Island. And that would have been classic. Well, there you have it. My favorite elevator ever. Schindler 321a. Isn't that just freaking awesome? So, thank you guys for watching. And that's it.